With the potential TikTok ban sending more users back to YouTube, the demand for unique faceless content is set to explode. From shocking police body cam footage to untold stories of vintage Hollywood, here are 14 faceless YouTube channel ideas that could skyrocket your income. The number one niche is the police body cam niche. Ever wondered what happens during high-stakes police encounters? The raw, real-life drama of police body cam footage has captivated audience. These videos give viewers a front-row seat to justice as it unfolds. By analyzing cases, highlighting lessons, or breaking down key moments using AI and ElevenLabs, you can create engaging, faceless content, all while staying compliant with public domain laws and fair use policies. While the biggest challenge in this niche is gathering footage, if you stay away from over-the-top violent moments or explicit content, you will be ready to go without fearing for the channel being demonetized or taken down. Niche number 2 is AI stories. By leveraging AI storytelling and voiceover technologies, content creators can efficiently produce high-quality videos and delve into almost every niche out there. When using tools like ElevenLabs, creators can make any narration videos while remaining faceless, as well as translating best English content into other languages, and vice versa. This literally appeals to every niche out there, including audiobooks, animated stories, educational content, and all the other niches we will be covering in this video. If you do it right, you can earn through the YouTube Partnership Program, and the RPM varies based on the niche, so keep watching to find the best niche to get into. The number 3 niche on the list is the vintage Hollywood drama. Vintage Hollywood drama is not only entertaining, but also timeless for content from the 1920s to the 1960s. It's full of larger-than-life stars, shocking scandals, and untold stories that modern audiences can't get enough of. That blends of nostalgia, mystery, and entertainment, attracting both classic film lovers and younger viewers curious about old-school celebrity culture. Monetization is straightforward, and the RPM with long-form storytelling content can be fairly high because of the older demographic audiences. And the best part is that its evergreen content ensures consistent views all year long. Niche number 4 is celebrity news. The allure of celebrity gossip never fades, and it's the perfect example of supply and demand content online. Whether it's a recent controversy with Johnny Depp and Diddy's crazy underworld illegal parties, a surprising Trump presidency comeback, or uplifting stories about famous figures like Elon Musk, this niche guarantees clicks all year long. What makes this better? You can give your channel a unique spin by focusing on faceless breakdowns or uplifting narratives, keeping viewers engaged without overwhelming them with negativity. The RPM in this niche is fairly high to make a good living, if you can pump out content fast and catch the trend. Just be sure to not fly too close to the sun, and stay away from explicit topics that crazy celebrity do and follow strict fair content use policy. Then you will be fine. Niche number 5 is the football niche. Football or soccer is a global obsession. Especially in the United States, football is basically religion to most people all the way until the Super Bowl. You can make highlight videos of the sport's most exciting moments with animated highlights, tactical breakdowns, or fan reactions. This niche isn't just about the games, it's about creating a connection with a passionate audience who keeps track of the teams and ball players' performances. Imagine profiling rising stars or predicting who will break records in 2025. This niche can do extremely well if you have high-skilled analytical ability to break down sports. Niche number 6 is game streaming. Streaming has become a cultural phenomenon. From Twitch to YouTube, the best streamers are celebrities in their own right, covering their viral gaming moments. Ranking the most controversial names or analyzing their success stories makes for binge-worthy content. Viewers love seeing their favorite creators dissected in an entertaining way. Some streamers even create controversy, which just drives engagement, and it's almost like the celebrity niche we've mentioned above. Niche number 7 is the religion drama. Religion is a topic that sparks curiosity and conversation. It can also dive into many controversies, unusual events, or lesser-known practices around the world. Content that can handle sensitive topics with care, sparking intrigue without offending, is something you need to master if you want to get into this niche. This niche thrives when framed as respectful discussions about cultural phenomena. The RPM is fairly high while targeting older demographics with money, and you can also make more by adding in some affiliate offers. Niche number 8 is the Elvis Presley niche. Elvis's timeless popularity ensures steady traffic, while his shocking life stories give you endless content ideas. If you want a niche that combines history, mystery, and entertainment, Elvis Presley is your ticket to success. This topic appeals to both hardcore Elvis fans and curious viewers who enjoy pop culture mysteries. It's easy to monetize through ad revenue with strong watch times on deep dives and did you know videos. Niche number 9 is rugby. Rugby's differences from football, soccer, make it a great content topic for YouTube. While football dominates globally, rugby stands out with its physical intensity, complex strategies, and unique scoring system, offering endless opportunities for compelling content. Monetization is straightforward. Affiliate marketing with rugby gear, training equipment, or streaming subscriptions for live matches. You can also secure sponsorships from sports brands or fitness companies and then capitalize on ad revenue with long-form videos like deep dives or highlight comparisons. Niche number 10 is Aviation Disaster. Ever since Boeing's scandal spread like wildfire all over the internet, real-life aviation stories are endlessly fascinating. From famous incidents to unsolved mysteries, there's a certain allure in dissecting the stories behind the headlines. Add compelling visuals and a clear narrative, and you've got a channel idea that soars above the competition. Some are even using flight simulator footage to build stories content without copyright strikes. Besides earning from the ad revenue from high-paying advertisers like lawyers and insurance-related ads, you can also earn from affiliate commissions by promoting courses and other aviation-related product offers. Niche number 11 is the rock niche. Rock music is an incredible topic for content creators. With rock's timeless popularity, every video has the potential to be evergreen. It appeals to a massive global audience spanning multiple generations. Whether your viewers are nostalgic fans of Led Zeppelin or younger audiences discovering bands like Arctic Monkeys, you can create content like the history of rock in 10 minutes, top 10 most iconic guitar solos, reaction videos to classic tracks, interviews with local musicians, or documentaries. Beyond ad revenue, this niche opens doors for sponsorships, musical affiliate offers, and fan merch collaborations. Niche number 12 is spiritual topics. The spirituality niche is a goldmine for people constantly seeking peace and personal growth, ensuring a steady stream of views and revenue over time. This topic has broad appeal, from beginners exploring meditation or manifestation to deep enthusiasts diving into astrology, energy healing, or ancient wisdom practices. The beauty of this niche lies in its endless sub-niches: guided meditations, the law of attraction, shadow work, tarot readings, crystal healing, spiritual book reviews, chakra balancing, and more. Spirituality content is highly monetizable. You can promote affiliate offers from ClickBank, journals, crystals, tarot decks, meditation apps, or online courses. And also sponsored videos with wellness brands and digital products bring in substantial RPM income. Niche number 13 is the NBA. This NBA niche is incredibly versatile, offering sub-niches with millions of fans craving highlights, player breakdowns, game analyses. I'm talking about top plays, player career retrospectives, trade rumors, predictions, and more commentary-style content. This only increases watch time on your videos. If you want to create a faceless channels like Golden Hoops or others like it, this type of sports content is only growing. The 14th niche is the Royal Guards. The King's Guard is a perfect content topic for showcasing the changing of the guard ceremony, explaining the guard's unshakable discipline, or highlighting viral moments like tourists being yelled at. This topic offers endless opportunities to create engaging and shareable videos. Audiences from the UK, Commonwealth countries, and beyond are fascinated by the tradition and international collaborations, such as when Canada, Australia, or even France's Garde Républicaine joins the Guard. This allows you to draw in viewers worldwide. You can create high-performing content like 5 things you didn't know about the King's Guard, or something like that. I hope one of these 14 faceless YouTube niches are going to bring you fortune in 2025, and they also work for TikTok if it stays. If you wanted to make more affiliate income using AI, be sure to watch this one to get the best AI prompt to create faceless YouTube content.